Okay, so we're on our way to Casa to try out the Mexican food. It's supposed to be the best Mexican in Bali, so let's go find out. Okay, so this is the famous Krabikan jail, Hotel K. It's the Bali jail. Alright, so here we are at Casa, it's in Seminyak. And it's open at 10 o'clock, closes at 10 PM. Let's go in and check it out. Alright. It used to be up the road about 100 metres, but this is a new location. So this is Casa, they've got a bar. This is a restaurant where all the magic happens. Hello, how are you? And out here we've got the rice paddies at the back. How awesome is this with the rice paddies, eh? And some nice chairs outside. It's a bit cooler out here, there's a breeze. So I got my son with him today and his friend Shane and wifey, and yeah, this is it. How good is this?
If you want to look through the coach website, punch this card.
Hello. Alright, I'll have a 8-layer burrito. Oh, chicken or do? Yuli? Yuli? I am, yeah? Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button down the bottom.
That's right. Alright, so this is the menu. What's on the menu? Cheesy enchiladas, tacos, nachos, fajitas, whatever they are. Quesadillas. This is what I got, the 8-layer burrito. 8-litre burrito. Naked burrito, wet burrito, salads and a taco bowl. And on the back there's drinks, there's alcohol and drinks and mocktails and things like that. Okay.
That's actually really similar to the one we were looking at yesterday for Lily.
Look, if you pull it like this,
hot sauce and some cravings. You like spicy?
Oh yeah.
So I got a nice tea.
Chili
Yeah.
on the side.
No, this is okay. I like this one.
So this is the 8-layer burrito, and this is the chicken tacos. Where's yours, mate?
Must chapat.
Looks good. Look at the size of that. Beautiful stuff.
Yuli.
Okay, so Shane got the enchiladas with cheese. Wow, they look good.
Yeah,
that's what I want.
And guacamole, sour cream, and black beans.
So you have to.
Yeah, that.
Wow, look at that. And Kyle got the wet burrito, which is same as my 8-layer burrito with
Enchilada
tomato sauce, cheese, and guacamole on top. Wow, it looks better.
Yeah.
Looks better than this.
Oh, that's what I want before.
Thanking you.
Wala benta foto. Foto. Uy, duduk ka lang.
Alright, so I'm going to try this burrito out. Some lemon, some hot sauce.
She's my chenty boo.
Hot sauce is really good. Thumbs up. Good stuff.
It's good.
Good stuff.
Mmm. Yeah, it is nice. Fresh. Tasty.
So what's the tacos like?
Better than sex.
Delicioso.
Okay, so we're going to try the taco. Look at that. Got black beans, sour cream and some hot sauce on it. That was really good actually. Pretty good, huh? That wet burrito looks really good with this cheese and tomato. It's just like a tomato salsa on top of it, is it, or what?
And they put enchilada sauce on the top. It's really good. Do you want to try it? It's like a little bit spicy.
Same shit as this, probably the sauce.
Different lah, it's gonna
Just try some.
Yep. Thank you. Okay, so what rating do you give this place, Shirley?
9.5.
9.5 out of 10?
Yep.
And what about you? What sort of rating, 1 out of 10 do you reckon?
I reckon it can have an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Sounds pretty fair.
2 out of 5. Don't. Joking. It was good. Probably a decent 8.
Anyway, cut, go again. And what? And it's alright, I can edit all that shit out. And what do you think, Kyle? What's your rating?
It was saucy. It was nice. It was probably at least an 8. Nice and fresh.
And yeah, I reckon it's probably a good 8. It's a very good Mexican restaurant, and I think it's about the best one in Bali. So if you're in Bali, check out Taco Casa in Seminyak.
2 out of 10.
You first, doggy. All right. So Kyle's was about 390,000, about $35 Australian.
260.
And 260 has about 25 bucks. So all up it was about $60. Pretty expensive food, but really good. Thank you. Alright, so that's it for Taco Casa. It's very good food. A little bit pricey, but really, really good quality food. So if you come to Bali, this is the place, Taco Casa.